Remember to feel gratitude for all that you already have and all that you are in the process of manifesting. Everything you desire is simply waiting for you in the infinite field of consciousness, and your gratitude will magnetize and maximize your power of manifestation. Thank you. Thank you for this day. Thank you for the air I breathe. Thank you for the gift of life. Thank you. Thank you for my bed. Thank you for my shower. Thank you for the roof over my head. Thank you for my home. Thank you for warmth. Thank you for my health.